Welcome to Enoven Cake and Cookies. I'm Nahida and today we are making a creamy, soft and absolutely delightful milk sago pudding. It's simple, refreshing and perfect for summer or any sweet cravings. Let's get started. Take half cup of sago or tapioca pearls. Soak them for 10 minutes and wash thoroughly. Do not over soak the sago or it may get mushy during boiling. Boil some water in a pot. Then add the soaked sago. Tapioca pearls comes from the cassava root, a tropical plant used widely in Asian desert. 1 teaspoon orange food color. Sago pudding is popular in many cultures, from Thai to Indian kitchen. Cook until the sago transparent. Cook sago until completely transparent for the best texture. No white center should remain. Strain and set aside. Now in a small bowl, mix half tablespoon agar powder with 1/4 cup water. Stir well and keep it aside to bloom. Agar is a vegetarian substitute for gelatin. The translucent pearls in pudding give it a unique texture and a beautiful look. In another pot, boil 2 cups of milk. Add 1/4 cup sugar and stir to dissolve. Now add the agar mixture into the milk. Mix until fully combined. Always dissolve agar in water before adding to hot milk to avoid lumps. Finally, add the cooked tapioca pearls and boil for another 2 to 3 minutes. Tapioca is gluten-free and easy to digest, making it great for kids and sensitive stomachs. Agar is high in fiber and helps support digestion. Homemade puddings contain fewer preservatives than store-bought dessert. Using milk adds protein and calcium to your sweet treat. Pour the mixture into a steel bowl. Let it cool down completely, then refrigerate for at least 1 hour. Your chilled and glossy milk sago pudding is ready to serve. Let the pudding set in the fridge for at least an hour for that perfect jiggle. Soft, milky and full of texture, this sago pudding is a beautiful balance of comfort and freshness. Perfect for breaking your fast, serving at parties or simply cooling down on a hot day. Have you tried dessert with agar before? Tell us in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share and follow Enoven Cake and Cookies for more homemade treats from my kitchen to yours.